the latest that you need to know about the crypto market, what's going on. We're going to take a look at the overall charts, Bitcoin, Ethereum, the market, everything. We're going to talk a little bit about the SEC lawsuit landscape, as well as a reason behind that. We're going to cover quite a bit of ground in about 3 or 4 minutes. So as always, thanks for your support. Also, today's video is sponsored, so we're going to have a word from our sponsor here in a little bit, but stick to the end of the video because I got some really, really good stuff to share with you. Okay, so what is going on right this second? As of the recording of this video, we're up 0.61. You can see we've moved up. Actually, there you go. There you go. Just all I had to do is do a video, and it went up 1.5+%. Kidding, of course. Bitcoin and Ethereum moving up a little bit, 2.2, 1.5. Bitcoin moving back out of that 24 high 24.9 range. Ethereum moving up a little bit as well. But you can see overall, it's really flat. XRP down 2. Dogecoin's down up 0.4. Tron down 1. Solana. It's very kind of a mixed bag, right? Polygon down 3, whereas Litecoin's up 2. SHIB's up 1.5. and so forth and so on. So I want to talk real quickly about this. BlackRock filing for Bitcoin ETF. So you have one of the biggest traditional finance organizations in the world, $10 trillion massive entity filing for a Bitcoin ETF. And quite frankly, they most likely will get it. This is a scenario where I firmly believe that this is a company that the SEC likes, that they think they can trust, and all of those kind of variables. You're starting to see how this is playing out. Every single Bitcoin ETF that's ever come before has been denied, and yet we see BlackRock coming in. They're most likely going to get it, okay? Now, this is a good news, kind of bad news scenario. This is good news because if this does happen, it's going to be a massive positive thing for crypto in the capacity that, more people in the traditional stock world will have the ability to invest in Bitcoin, especially, again, if this is a spot ETF scenario that plays out. We'll see how all that does. But this is a good thing in that capacity. But also kind of on the flip side of that, it's a bad thing because you're starting to see, hey, we know for a fact a very simple thing that traditional finance wants to be in crypto. And frankly, they probably want to own it. They want to control it. Okay, so part of the reason I got to give Miles credit, I'm a huge fan of Miles. He's got a massive Twitter following. Go give him a check, give him a look. He does really, really good analysis, very much respected, and I really like some of the stuff he's got to say. He's talking about the hidden agenda between the recent SEC crackdown and things like that. So we're going to come back in a minute, and I'm going to finish off with that. And we'll talk about that. But real quickly, a word from our sponsor for today's video. One of the biggest areas of opportunity coming in crypto is what is called enterprise grade solutions. These are projects, technology solutions that are going to help enable large and medium and small businesses get into blockchain, get into crypto. And a company leading the charge in this particular area of enterprise grade solutions is Corium. And Corium is right here, an enterprise grade layer 1 blockchain that can serve as a core infrastructure for future decentralized apps for businesses, for big projects. Again, small, medium, large companies is how I think about it, and enabling them to come into crypto and deploy their applications, technology for them to do business inside of the blockchain inside of crypto. Okay, and so I wanted to make you aware of this. This is a fantastic project. Links in the description below to get more information on Corium, for you to be able to check them out. But like right here, Ubic Capital, experience the speed, security, and interoperability of Corium, the cutting-edge layer 1 blockchain with a transactional throughput of 7,000 TPS, outperforms Bitcoin and Ethereum, making it perfect for enterprise-grade applications. So definitely give Corium a look. Check them out. Links in the description below. There's also a link down to their link tree, so you can check that out. And then I would definitely check out their white paper, their website, all that kind of stuff. Definitely give Corium a look. And I promise this is an area, enterprise grade solutions are going to be a massive area inside of crypto that is forthcoming. And we're just at the beginning of this particular initiative. Take care. Okay, so let's take a look real quickly at, remember what we were talking about before, about how you have traditional finance wanting to come in. They want to take over crypto and all that kind of stuff. And again, I think Miles does a really good job of this. So he's talking about TradFi, traditional finance companies like BlackRock, JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs, Citadels, etc. So he said, look, they sat back in 2017 and 21 and watched crypto exhibit 1,000+% returns. Whilst they were sidelined, they weren't in crypto, and their equities grounded out. It would grind up 10% per year. In the traditional finance world, if you're making 10% on an investment, you're killing it. By the way, that's kind of in the stock world. So this made them extremely envious of new crypto startups making billions from crypto tradings. So these companies like BlackRock, JP, Goldman, Citadel, et cetera, are used to controlling financial markets, and crypto makes them feel threatened. So now they're using, quote, Operation Chokepoint 2.0 as a vehicle to try and regain that control. Kill crypto businesses via aggressive regulation so that big traditional finance can step in and control U.S. trading. I think there's some merit to this. I think that there is absolutely something here, and I think that Miles is onto something. So if you look at the landscape, we've got the SEC doing their thing, going after Coinbase and Binance. I think that's part of the picture. And I think the BlackRock ETF thing is part of the picture. There's all pieces of the puzzle. And if you're paying attention, you can kind of start to see them. That's why I like what Miles has to say on his Twitter account, is that I think this is all part of a larger, picture. Give it some thought, talk about it, have open discussions on Twitter, here on YouTube, whatever it is, make your opinion known. Thanks for your support. That's what's going on right now in crypto. I'll see you.